Your skylight is sitting in your ceiling right now doing one thing well: leaking. Maybe not water, but definitely heat. In summer, it turns your room into a greenhouse. In winter, it bleeds warmth straight out through the glass. The average American skylight costs between $1,500 and $3,000 installed. Replacement glass alone runs $400 to $800 when it cracks. And the flashing fails every 8 to 12 years like clockwork, sending you back to the contractor for another check. But there is a system that delivers the same quality of natural daylight into any room in your home. Costs $300 to build, requires 0 roofing penetrations, never leaks, never cracks, and never needs replacing. It has been used in commercial buildings across Europe for 30 years. A single architect in Switzerland documented it in 1986, and the skylight industry made sure his work never reached the American homeowner. Stay with me. Welcome to the Fix Vault. This channel exists for one reason: to show you the things that billion-dollar industries have spent real money making sure you never find out. If that sounds like something that matters to you, subscribe right now. Because what we cover here does not stay quiet forever. The man's name is Miroslav Base. He was a Czech architect working in Zurich, Switzerland in the mid-1980s. He had a specific problem. He was designing affordable housing for a Swiss municipal project, and the units he was working with had interior rooms with no exterior wall access. There was no practical way to install conventional skylights without cutting through multiple structural layers and waterproofing assemblies that the project budget could not support. So he started studying how light actually travels. Not how architects assumed it traveled. How it actually behaves when it enters a space, reflects off surfaces, and moves through a building. What he found led him to dust, specifically to the behavior of light in spaces filled with reflective particles. And from that observation, he developed a system that used a small rooftop collector, a highly reflective cylindrical tube, and a ceiling diffuser to carry daylight from the roof surface into any interior room, regardless of how many floors or structural elements sat between them. He called it a tubular daylighting device. The construction industry eventually shortened that to a solar tube, and the first commercial installations in Europe in the late 1980s produced results that genuinely shocked the building science community. A 10-inch diameter tube carrying natural daylight into a room performed comparably to a 30. The interior of the tube is lined with a material called Spectralite Infinity, a proprietary reflective film developed by 3M in the 1990s with a reflectivity rating of 99.7%. Ordinary mirror reflectivity sits around 80 to 85%. The difference matters enormously over distance. At 99.7% reflectivity, light bounces through 10 feet of tube and loses almost nothing. At 85% reflectivity, the same light degrades dramatically with each bounce. A 1998 study from Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory measured light output from tubular daylighting devices across multiple installations. They found that a 10-inch diameter unit delivered between 200 and 900 lumens of natural light into a room, depending on roof orientation and sky conditions. For reference, a standard 60-watt incandescent bulb produces about 800 lumens. You are getting the equivalent of a natural daylight bulb through a 10-inch hole in your ceiling that cost $300 and involved no structural work beyond a simple circular cut. So why is every home improvement store pushing $1,500 skylights and nobody is mentioning this at the contractor level? The answer starts with a number. The North American skylight market generates approximately $4.2 billion annually. Installation labor, flashing kits, replacement glass, warranty repair. The full ecosystem around a product that regularly fails in predictable ways produces recurring revenue. A product which never leaks and never needs replacing simply cannot generate that revenue. Traditional skylights require a licensed roofing contractor for installation in most states because you are cutting through a waterproofed structural assembly. That requirement creates a captive professional installer network with a strong financial interest in recommending the product they are trained and licensed to install. Solar tubes can be installed by any competent homeowner with a drill, a jigsaw, and a Saturday afternoon. No contractor required, no permit in most jurisdictions, no recurring revenue for anyone. By the early 1990s, the Skylight industry had established deep relationships with home improvement retailers, builder education programs, and architectural specification systems. Solar tube technology appeared in European building guides starting in the late 1980s, but was never integrated into the American builder education curriculum in any meaningful way. The result was a generation of American contractors who had never heard of it and had no incentive to learn. But here is what they cannot do. They cannot make light stop traveling through a reflective tube. The physics has not changed since Miroslav Base documented it in Zurich in 1986. So let us talk about exactly how you install one, because this is genuinely a weekend project for any homeowner comfortable with basic tools. You will need a tubular daylighting kit. The two most documented brands in the American market are Solatube and Sun Tunnel by Velux. A 10-inch diameter solatube kit costs between $250 and $350 at any home improvement store or direct from the manufacturer. It includes the rooftop dome, the reflective tube sections, and the ceiling diffuser. You also need a jigsaw, a drill with a hole saw attachment sized to your kit diameter, roofing sealant, and basic safety equipment for roof work. Total additional material cost under $30. Start inside the room where you want the light delivered. Choose your ceiling location. Ideally, you want to be positioned between two joists, so check with a stud finder before marking your cut. Mark the circle using the template included in the kit. Cut through the ceiling drywall with your jigsaw. From the attic space above, locate your cut and identify the path straight up to the roof. Measure the distance. This determines how many tube extension sections you will need. Mark your roof cut location from inside the attic by driving a nail up through the sheathing at the center point. On the roof surface, locate your nail. Use the hole saw to cut through the shingles and sheathing. Seat the flashing base of the dome unit under the uphill shingles and over the downhill shingles exactly as you would any roof penetration. Apply roofing sealant around all edges. Snap the tube sections together from the roof dome down through the attic to the ceiling opening. Attach the ceiling diffuser ring and snap the diffuser lens into place. That is the complete installation. Most homeowners finish in 3 to 4 hours. No electrician, no roofer, no permit in most jurisdictions. Now the honest answer on where this works best and where it has real limits. Tubular daylighting performs best in homes where the attic space between the ceiling and roof is relatively straight. A direct vertical or near vertical run of 8 to 12 feet delivers maximum light output. In homes with complex roof geometry, cathedral ceilings with no attic space, or where the room you want to light sits far from the roof peak, the tube requires angled sections. One gentle bend loses approximately 10% of the light output. 2 bends loses around 20%. For rooms that need to be lit from a roof surface more than 15 feet away or with multiple direction changes, performance drops enough that the economics become less compelling. In those specific situations, a conventional skylight with professional installation may deliver better light output despite the higher cost and ongoing maintenance. The system also delivers daylight only, not artificial light. After dark, the diffuser goes dark. Unless you add an optional electric light kit which costs an additional $60 to $80 and turns the diffuser into a combined natural and artificial light source. The Skylight industry has sold American homeowners the same leaking product for 50 years. The flashing fails on schedule. The glass cracks on schedule. The contractor comes back on schedule. And your check clears on schedule. That is the business model. $300 and one Saturday afternoon ends your participation in it. Subscribe right now and share this with one person who is currently dealing with a skylight that leaks or a dark interior room they have been told requires expensive structural work to fix. And do not go anywhere, because the next video covers something buried directly beneath your home that delivers free cooling every summer using nothing but the constant 55-degree temperature of the Earth itself. 847 European homes run on it. Your building code was written to make sure you never thought to ask for it. That video is coming very soon, and you are going to want to be here when it drops.